In 2000, James Covington pled guilty to killing his ex-girlfriend back in 1999. In 2022, he filed a petition to change his name that was granted. That change was later reversed after the state objected. Covington filed a motion for reconsideration, which was also rejected. The judge writing that his motion fails to state points of fact or law that were overlooked or misapprehended by the court. In accepting the case, the state Supreme Court order states the case appears to be eligible for mediation. Covington says in a filing that he is willing to go to mediation and offers the following solution. While he had previously requested to change his name to Jamari Abdul Halim, in a filing dated November 18th, he says he's willing to accept Jamari Covington. Jamari pays homage to my Islamic faith, and the last name Covington will be kept paying homage to my deceased mother. And objecting to the name change, the state has said it would pose an administrative burden, that Covington, who is serving 30 years to life for the murder, by changing his name, could get lost in the system. That there could possibly be confusion, for instance, about what inmates are safe to be around each other. While Covington argues that by denying the change, the state is violating his constitutional right to practice his religion. While the state Supreme Court's accepted the case, it remains to be seen if there will be any oral arguments or if the justices will decide it on previous filings or send the case to mediation. In Concord, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.